user account login in Apple computer Mac. So first go to settings. On the top of the icon you can see the Apple icon, click there and click system preference, and then go to user and group. Here you go, then you can see all of your login ID admin. First you need to unlock that, click here. Yeah, now click on add sign. Yeah, so if you making for your kids, you can change the share only group or anything. Just making standard. So put name, show, yeah, and then you can put password. You can make it as much as you want. You can make 100, you can make thousands login ID and password. So just put a login, and the verify is the same password you put through. And hint means so I put password is my middle name, so I'm just put M. Yeah, so I'm just create a user. Yeah, now if you want you can change the photos. Just click on edit, go to photo, and then you can change it. So here is the one, and also you can turn on guest user only. Click on here and then you can log in the guest user. Alright guys, so this is admin and this is all guest user. You can make multi users. If you have 3 children you can make 3 login ID password, and it's safe, so you can use it whatever website you want. And that's all guys, and don't forget to subscribe me, and thanks for watching. I'm uploading video every weekend, so subscribe me and keep yourself updated. Thank you guys, thank you.